The Bangko Sentral reports that the financial position of the country's universal and commercial banks remains sound. More details from Aljo Bendijo.
As capital remains well above minimum set by regulators, financial position of Philippine banks remains strong. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas in its statement says capital adequacy ratio CAR of universal and commercial banks remains firm at 16.87% on solo basis and 17.96% on remains well above minimum set by regulators. Financial position of Philippine banks remains strong. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas in its statement says capital adequacy ratio or the CAR of universal and commercial banks remains firm at 16.87% on solo basis, or a good record which is higher than the minimum capital adequacy ratio of 10% as required by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The high quality capital, which includes equity and reserves, records reveal remains strong as banks Tier 1 capital stood at 14.33% on solo basis and 14.46% on consolidated basis. BSP further says this was due to an increased lending and trading activity by banks leading to higher risk. BSP stresses that it is essential to regulate banks' capital to ensure financial stability of the country, as a well-capitalized banking system leads to absorption of unexpected losses through reserves, especially during contingencies brought about by economic crisis. For the People's Television Network, I'm Aljo Bendijo.